students, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at your home. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, materials. Materials are of two types. They can be metals or they can be non-metals. So you are familiar with the number of materials around you. आपने देखा होगा कि आपके आसपास बहुत सारे मटेरियल्स हैं, जैसे कि आयरन हो सकता है, एल्यूमिनियम हो सकता है, कोल हो सकता है, सल्फर, फॉस्फरस जो पेंसिल की लेड होती है. सो दीज टाइप्स ऑफ मटेरियल्स आर देयर अराउंड यू. So they are categorized as metals or non-metals. So today we are going to study the physical properties of metals and non-metals. Suppose we are taking an example of an iron. Iron, if a blacksmith hammer it, जोर से हथौड़ी से अगर आयरन को पीटता है, मारता है उस पर, तो that iron metal is converted into a spade, a shovel or any other type of tool. So this property of metal by which they can be beaten into thin sheets is called, or they can be changed into different type of sheets, that is called as malleability. Suppose we are taking an example of an aluminium. Aluminium is a metal. If we hammer it, then this aluminium metal is converted into a aluminium foil. This property of metal is known as malleability. This malleability properties is not for non-metals. If we take an example of coal and pencil lead, अगर पेंसिल लीड पर हथौड़ा मारा जाए या कोल पर हथौड़ा मारा जाए तो क्या वो थिन शीट में कन्वर्ट होता है? नो. सो नॉन मेटल डज नॉट have this type of malleability property. Second type of physical property that a metal has is the ductility. What is ductility? The property of metals by which it can be drawn into wires. कि वो प्रॉपर्टी मेटल की जिससे कि उसको वायर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाए. जैसे कॉपर वायर, घरों में कॉपर वायर यूज होती है बिकॉज वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करती है. सो द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मेटल्स बाय विच दे कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू, दे कैन बी ड्रॉन इनटू वायर्स इज कॉल्ड डक्टिलिटी. सो इट इज द सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ metals. Next property that we should know about the metals is that they are sonorous. Metals, when they produce ringing sounds, they are said to be sonorous. आपने देखा होगा अपने स्कूल में जब बेल बजती है डिस्पर्सल टाइम में या स्कूल के एंट्री टाइम में या दो पीरियड्स के बीच में जो बेल बजती है, तो that produce a ringing sound. This ringing sound is called as sonorous. So metals produce sonorous sounds. Metals, they produce ringing sounds. And metals, all of you know that they are hard to touch. Whenever you touch a metal, it is very hard. So now we are going to summarize these properties of metals. So we come to know that metals, they are hard, they are hard to touch, they are lustrous. Metals, they are lustrous means they वो चमकदार होते हैं. They are malleable. Malleable means the property of metals by which if they are beaten with a hammer, they can be converted into thin sheets. That is malleable, malleability property. Then next is ductile. Metals are ductile means they can be drawn into thin wires. They can be drawn into wires. Then metals are sonorous. Sonorous means they produce the ringing sounds. As well as one important property of metals is metals, they are good conductor of heat and electricity. You must have seen in your kitchen, your mother uses utensils in your kitchen, then they are using those utensils which are made up of metals. अगर metals के utensils, बर्तन metals के हम यूज़ करेंगे तो वो जल्दी से हीट अप हो जाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, हम अगर प्रेशर कुकर घर में यूज़ करते हैं तो वो जल्दी से गर्म हो जाते हैं. सो मेटल्स, दे आर गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट. सो हियर आर सम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ मेटल, जैसे कि आयरन, कॉपर, एल्यूमिनियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम. एंड the metals, they conduct heat and electricity. There are other materials also, they are called as non-metals. They are not sonorous, they do not conduct electricity or they conduct electricity very little, so they are called as poor conductor of heat and electricity. So those materials which are not sonorous, they are non-malleable, non-ductile, they are non-lustrous, they are not hard, and they are poor conductor of heat and electricity, they are all called as non-metal. Some examples of non-metals are sulfur, carbon, oxygen, phosphorus, etc. So these are non-metals. Now we are going to summarize these properties of metals and non-metals in the form of a flow chart. Look at it. See, in this tabular form, we'll see the physical properties of metals and non-metals. It is also the difference between the metals and non-metals. Here, the metals, they are hard, non-metals are not hard. Metals are lustrous, non-metals are non-lustrous. Metals are malleable, non-metals are non-malleable. Metals are ductile, non-metals are non-ductile. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity, and non-metals are poor conductor of heat and electricity. And here are some of the examples: gold, aluminium, iron, copper, and non-metals like coal, sulfur and phosphorus. I hope you understand this topic, and in the next class we will do the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. So please learn this table. Thank you all.